Hey everyone, this is going to be my flip through of March and also February. So, just starting off March, I put into the index in the front and then jumping over to February. So I didn't do as good with my reading tracker since I had a very busy work month and it actually took up most of February. I highlighted the very long days, I guess, in orange just to notate that, to see how that impacted my habits. But basically I feel like I'm going to reset for next month, which is totally fine. And the nice thing about this is like every monthly spread is a reset, so if you don't get everything done that you want to get done the previous month, you just migrate it over to next month. So I didn't finish reading any of the books that I had, but I also started another book because through Libby I got A Fragile Enchantment, and I actually didn't finish it. I only got halfway through it. I listened to about 6 hours. I have about 7 hours, 8 hours left. But this was nice. It was a good book. I started like Highly Suspicious and Fairly Cute. It was a lot more modern, like UK, TikTok, a lot of slang from Britain, I think. So that's a heavier read than I expected just with all the slang, because I'm not as familiar, but there is an index to explain what all the words mean that are more British, I guess. But there were still some in the index that were not in the index, but that were used in the book. I'm only a couple chapters in, so not too far there. Didn't start this one yet. Started a couple pages of this one also. So maybe it was ambitious to try to read a bunch of books my first month into reading books, but again, also exercise I feel like wasn't too good, art wasn't too good, but it was a really busy month. But anyway, it was also Chinese New Year, it's Year of the Dragon. So for my March spread, which this I drew during, like, for February, but it gave me the idea to use green for March, and also because St. Patrick's Day is in March. So in comparison to last time when I had a reader tracker and it was all of the days, I actually did something different for March just to show you guys. The first step I used kind of the same stickers, but I used a Sharpie to kind of give it a little green, which is fun. And then I used a little stamp and just like a little ink pad. I just bought these I think this was like Target. I bought a whole bunch of these, like a whole pack of them from Amazon. But basically, for this tracker, instead of doing days, for exercise, I did times. So I want to try to get 20 workouts in this month. So that also means I can stack a couple workouts in one day, which is why some things like that you might do multiple times a day or that you can fit in might be nice not to do a daily tracker. But then things like doing art or reading, I kind of want to do at least once a day. So I left those as daily trackers. And I kind of did a 1-page spread, so this spread is shorter. It's only about 3 pages versus, for example, February's, which was 4 pages here for that spread. But yeah, really quick, I just put a couple things. Daylight savings time starts on the 10th. St. Patrick's Day is on the 17th. Good Friday is the 29th. And Easter Sunday is on the 31st. I also have some washi tape that I was swatching, so I pulled that, and I have a little macaroon washi tape. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put it in here for now. But again, this is pretty nice because you could just unstick it and put it somewhere else, so maybe I'll use it somewhere else, or maybe I'll just leave it there. But pretty simple, basic March spread, and yeah, and I'll probably just flip back and I'll try to finish these books. This one in March. And if there's any other ones I want to start, I'll maybe put them in the next slot there, so, or whatever. But yeah, super quick little spread. And just to show you that you can make different kind of trackers, and you can use like stamps, you can just draw lines, you can use like last month like stencils. So there's a lot of different ways to do trackers, and it's really fun to customize them each month so that it, you know, doesn't stay boring and stuff. So yeah, that's just my tracker for this month, and yeah, hope you liked the video. Well, see you again in April. Bye guys.